sijui alifanya nini na baby mama, sijui what and what. So we are ready to hear from him. Yeah, but what I know from Oga Obinna is so hardworking guy. Na mimi napenda kuemulate example yake nikimfuatilia kitu anafanya, because that guy is not even hardworking, is over hardworking. Kwa sababu na vitu anafanya manzo kimcheki. Ndio sasa nimekuja leo kusikia hizo zote, I learn more. Yeah.
My Mistake by Oga Obinna, the man himself. And today we have this amazing couple here at the red carpet. Wameamua to grace us with their audience here. The outfits looking dope, the couple looking beautiful. They're just going to say a little bit about Obinna and tell us why exactly they are here to listen about his mistakes. Ama pia wao wamefanya mistakes gani. Hi, beautiful. Hi.
First of all, you look amazing. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Yeah, thanks to Sir Eliud Design. Yeah.
Acha tusikize pia Prince anasema nini. You look good.
Yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate.
Nani alichagua? Ni wewe Michelle?
And our designer, Sir Eliud Design. Yeah.
And I remember you guys say that if Chala dresses more than Oga Obinna,
Yes.
Michelle atalipa Obinna 20k.
Yes. 20k raise.
And if it's the vice versa?
He will pay.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think? Before mumuone, what do you think?
Wewe mwenyewe unaonaje?
Mimi pia amevaa.
Ha?
Yeye pia amevaa.
Acha tufike huko ndani tutajionea.
20k iko wapi?
Niko nayo kwa M-Pesa. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe among the mistakes today we here to hear about Oga Obinna's mistake. Maybe you as a couple, other mistakes that you've made.
Man of the house.
Yeah, obviously in a relationship there is ups and downs. Kuna kukosana, kufanya nini, kuna mistakes. Yeah. But to put that open to mention our mistakes, but yeah, mistakes are. Yeah.
And what did you learn from those mistakes? What did you learn from them?
There is always ups and downs. So kitu importantly kuelewana na mpenzi wako and to learn from the mistakes that you have done. Ukifanya hii kosa, apologize and then reform from it, usirudie tena. Yeah.
And maybe how do you guys solve your mistakes? Ukifanya pale kitu mbaya, how do you solve it?
Ukilia tuna move on.
Ukilia.
I didn't see that coming.
Like you guys don't talk about communication or something.
Asuna those big mistakes ni vitu petty, like nani ajosha dogi chakula, like they're always petty issues. Yeah, maybe money ni overspend, so yeah.
And Oga Obinna has openly talked about his mistakes before this show. Maybe what is this one mistake and you learned from it?
Oh, from Oga Obinna's mistakes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready to hear today, but obviously hapo social media kuna sijui alifanya nini na baby mama, sijui what and what. So we are ready to hear from him. Yeah, but what I know from Oga Obinna is so hardworking guy. Na mimi napenda kuemulate example yake nikimfuatilia kitu anafanya, because that guy is not even hardworking, is over hardworking. Kwa sababu na vitu anafanya manzo kimcheki. Ndio sasa nimekuja leo kusikia hizo zote, I learn more. Yeah.
And also, yesterday was Oga Obinna's birthday. What would you like to tell him and also wish him a happy birthday?
That one, as a couple, we have a surprise gift for him.
Today?
Yeah, not today. Sasa yetu tumesema isichanganyike na watu ikuwe nini. We are ready to offer him surprise kando tu. Yeah, soon mtaiona. So tutaki kuharibu.
Ama ni kagari Michelle? Ni gari
Kitu kubwa.
Yeah.
Kuliko gari.
Sijasema kuliko gari, but nimesema ni kitu kubwa.
Maybe what's this one thing you like about Obinna?
His hard work. That guy is so hardworking. Yeah.
As we wind up, you can talk to him. Of course, he'll watch this. Galeni camera, mongelesha Obinna.
Yes.
As we wind up, unaweza ongea na Obinna.
Kitu ningependa kuambia Obina, happiest birthday ya kwanza. Nimekuwish huko online but it's coming. Kuna kitu kubwa inakuja kwa sababu manze umetusaidia sana, umetujenga manze. Unajua Obina ndo ametuleta sasa in kabisa manze. Obina, shukran sana. Leo tunaona mistakes zako but we have something for you coming. Big up man.
Obina, siku ingine usinishautie na 20k yangu na kujia.
Hebu lia kidogo tukimalize.
Nalianga kanibazamu.
When is your wedding?
Oh, our wedding.
Yeah.
Wedding siwezi sema iko kwa sababu my sister is not yet married.
Oh.
So we are waiting for my sister. My sister akiona olewe kesho, I'll marry her after a month. My sister akiona olewe after 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, niendo wa kuamua. Kaya. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still virgin. Yeah. Mimi. Si yeye. Yeah. Yeah.
Are you ready to wait for eternity if the sister does not get married?
Najaribu. I'm really trying. It's not easy, but I'm trying.
Okay guys, thank you so much for your time. Ngeni, you enjoy the show.
Thank you so much.